Welcome to Libre Computers, where learning is fun. In previous session we have learnt cost center and predefined cost center allocation entries in Tally ERP 9. In today's session we are going to learn how to take backup in Tally ERP 9. Backup is really important, which we at times tend to miss out on. So let's start. We are going to take backup of this company Libre Computers, which I have created in C drive. We'll begin by clicking on Company Info or press Alt F3 on the keyboard. Company Info window opens up. In that we click on the option Backup. Backup Companies window will open. In that first it is showing us the source. Source is basically the path where the company is created.
Below that it is showing us the destination. Destination is where the company backup will be created. So I am going to take the backup in D drive, Tally backup folder. Down it is asking us to select the companies to backup. From the list of companies, select the company that you want to backup. I am selecting Libre Computers. If you want more companies, then you may select from the list. Now select End of List. Then accept Yes.
So our backup is created. Now let's check how the backup which is created. Let's open the D drive and we find that Tally backup folder is automatically created. In that we see a TBK file, which is the Tally backup file. Next we will see how to restore the backup. But before restoring we will delete the company and understand the restoring process better. We click on Alter. Select the company Libre Computers. Company alteration screen will open up. Press the Alt key along with the key together to delete the company. Click on Yes. Confirmation screen will open up. Click Yes again. Let's go to select company to check whether company is deleted or no. So here we see that the company Libre Computers is not displayed, which means it is deleted. Let's start restoring the company. Click on Restore. Restore Companies screen will open. First it's showing the destination. Destination is the path where the company will be restored back. Below that is the source. Source is the location where we have taken the backup. In the list of companies, select Libre Computers to restore. Then End of List. Accept Yes. Let's go back to select company to check the company. So we see that Libre Computers company is displayed in the list. Very well done. In today's session we have learned how to back up Tally data and how to restore the Tally data. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.